In this video, I'll demonstrate how to install the LG G10 soundbar, the perfect match for an LG Gallery Design TV. Let's begin by unboxing. Carefully open the box and remove the components. Now, let's begin the soundbar installation. Check that all the components are included. This installation guide assumes that the LG Gallery TV is already mounted on the wall. Let's install the wall mount. First, prepare the install guide paper. Unfold the two install guide papers and place them side by side. Connect the two install guide papers. Align the arrow indicators on each sheet and firmly attach them to each other using tape. The next step is to identify where the soundbar will be installed on the wall using the connected install guide papers. Align the edge of the install guide paper with the edge of the wall-mounted TV and firmly attach the sheet to the wall. The line marked as TV bottom line must align with the bottom of the TV installed on the wall. The next step is to install the brackets that will attach the soundbar to the wall. The soundbar requires two brackets to be installed. Place the brackets on the install guide paper in the indicated position so that the top marks face upwards. Use anchor bolts to attach the brackets to the wall. Repeat the process on the other side to firmly attach the two brackets to the wall. Completely remove the install guide paper from the wall. To connect the soundbar and TV, first, connect an HDMI cable to the ARC port on the back of the TV. Connect the HDMI cable and the soundbar power cable to the back of the soundbar. Then, tidy the cables. Secure the grooves on the back of the soundbar to the brackets installed on the wall. The LG G10 soundbar installation is now complete. Enjoy your TV and soundbar neatly installed on the wall. Alternatively, the soundbar can be set up using a stand rather than being wall-mounted.